It's time to get real, keep it real, and go real talk. Welcome to the Daily News Recap Show, where we dive into the world of crypto, blockchain, and all things Web3. I'm your host, and we're about to break down the most important stories you need to know. First up, a city survey is making waves in the crypto space. They are predicting that by 2030, a tenth of the post trade market will be using tokens and digital assets. That's a big deal, folks. It's a sign that the industry is maturing and gaining more mainstream acceptance. But that's not all. Coinbase is launching a new futures index that combines exposure to top US tech stocks and major cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a one-stop shop for investors looking to get in on the action. And speaking of action, there's been some big developments in the world of spot crypto trading. The second CFTC have clarified the rules, giving the green light to SEC and CFTC regulated exchanges to facilitate spot crypto trading. Now let's take a break and talk about some blockchain bites. Why did the Bitcoin miner go to the doctor? Because it had a blockage. Get it? Block, like a block in a blockchain. Okay, maybe that was a bit of a stretch. But seriously, have you heard about the new film, Killing Satoshi? It's a movie about the creator of Bitcoin, and it's set to star Casey Affleck and Pete Davidson. That's some wild stuff. Now back to the news. Bitcoin miners are seeing some major gains thanks to the growing demand for high performance computing. It's a whole new world out there, folks. But with all this growth comes some risks. There's been a rise in supply chain attacks, private key exploits, and smart contract exploits. We need to be vigilant and stay on top of these threats. The Web3 community is also seeing some exciting developments. Capital markets are shifting towards blockchain technology, driven by the growth of tokenization. And Cosmos is at the forefront of this evolution. Now let's talk about some exclusive news. There's a limited $0 token sale available for Kryptonite originals, but we'll have to wait for the full article to get more details. And finally, startups are dominating venture capital funding. $81.3 billion has been invested in startups, a dramatic increase from just 10% in 2021. That's a big deal, folks. It's a sign that technology is here to stay. That's it for today's news recap. I want to thank all of you for tuning in and staying on top of the latest trends in crypto, blockchain, and Web3. Remember to stay safe out there and don't get caught in the bubble. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Until then, keep it real and keep it crypto.